A woman is dead following an incident along the flat bridge in St. Catherine. Reports are that the vehicle she was driving plunged into the Rio Cobre around 2 o'clock Friday afternoon. The woman has been identified as 41-year-old Ava Thelwell. Her body was recovered from a black Suzuki Vitara. She's suspected to have drowned. Persons say they tried to assist, however, it was too late.
Okay, I was on my way going to Spanish Town, coming off the hill. I saw the car going down, so I was a little bit surprised because I was like, there's a car, so I saw the shade that it was a black vehicle. By the time I got here, it was already covered with the water, so I went down, take off my dress-up clothes, jump off in there, me and that young man over there, and we went down like 3, 4, 5 times, and our ears started to ring, and we came back up. So this is the result. Eagles that sell out here said them saw the car at 10 o'clock. She parked up on the opposite side coming from Lindsay. She parked up and she was smoking a cigarette, and she go across, go that side here like she go out of Angels, turn back, come back. Another lady over there, the grey-haired lady, said she see her park up and they asked her if she wanted any mango to buy. She said no, and this was the result.
So what, she just come in the middle of
She just come in at the middle of the bridge and just pull the car, turn the car right over.
The police, in the meantime, told TVJ News it appears the woman drove the vehicle into the Rio Cobre, which claimed her life.